Hi guys, and welcome to Lisa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorites, broccoli rabe with sausage and pasta. I know a lot of people have trouble trying to have their kids eat some vegetables, but this is one of my kids' favorites. What I like to start off with is a nice head of broccoli rabe. I basically cut the broccoli rabe right below where the leaves are. Don't get mad, I don't use this part. My mom likes to use it, I don't. So once your broccoli rabe is nice and washed, it's time to boil it. It's always good to start flavoring your food from the beginning. So I salt the water for the broccoli rabe, and I put the broccoli rabe right into the boiling water. I know this is a little bit controversial, but I like to cook my broccoli rabe for a while. I like it when it's soft, when it's tender, and all the bitterness is out. My husband uses a word for it, kill the broccoli rabe. I like to kill the broccoli rabe. So I will probably boil this for about a half hour. We are going to let this cook on a burner right over here so I could show you the next step of our process. I'm going to take a saute pan. I'm going to put extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to say about 3 to 4 tablespoons. I am going to crush some garlic, another one of my favorite tools, my garlic crusher. I'm going to say about 6 cloves of garlic. So now we're going to saute our garlic in olive oil just a little bit till you start actually smelling the juices of the garlic and the oil together. Delicious. I can actually smell it already. We are now going to add our sausage that we removed from our casing. We're going to just plop it in here, break it up just a little bit, and you can hear it start to sizzle. Again, another one of my easy meals at home. Ingredients that everyone has in their kitchen: garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. So now we're going to brown our sausage and cook it fully through. On social media, everybody always asks, recipe please, recipe please. Well, here's your recipe. So now that our sausage is about halfway cooked, this is when I like to add my salt and pepper. So I say about a teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of black pepper. All right, this looks about done. Right before I put the broccoli rabe in with the sausage, I am going to cook my pasta. Remember to always salt your water. I like to use Orecchiette, which is like little hat pastas, but you could use any pasta you like. You could use large shells, you could use cavatelli, you could use spaghetti. Anything that you prefer to use as far as pasta is great. It's time to marry the broccoli rabe with the sausage together. So we turn off our stove with the broccoli rabe. We're gonna put our sausage heat on low. Now, I do not drain the broccoli rabe in a strainer because I'd like to have some of that water come with me in here to deglaze the pan of the sausage. So I just use basically a slotted spoon. I lift the broccoli rabe up and I pour it right in the pot with the sausage. Take a wooden spoon and scrape all that goodness flavor from the bottom of the pan with the sausage. See how it's all coming up? Those are all flavors that you want in your dish. Now you're gonna let this cook together for 5 to 10 minutes while your pasta is cooking. Okay, now that we got the sausage and broccoli rabe mixed together and our pasta is almost done, I'm going to put my heat back on to a little bit of a medium-high. So now it's time to taste our pasta to see if it's cooked. Just be careful, it's hot. Perfect. Okay, we're going to drain our orecchiette. And we are going to put it right in the same pot with our broccoli rabe and sausage. We're gonna turn our stove off. We're gonna mix all these flavors together. I like to personally add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. We mix this all together and we have ourselves some orecchiette with broccoli rabe and sausage. So the actual sauce in this dish is all the flavors from the water from the broccoli rabe, the garlic, the sausage. It all comes together to make a nice saucy base for the pasta. Now it's time to taste. Look at those beautiful colors in that dish. Who wouldn't want to eat their vegetables after looking at this? Magnifique. This is one healthy, delicious meal. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my broccoli rabe with sausage and pasta. Make sure to like my video and subscribe to our page. See you next time.